Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna. She's Shriya. We will be discussing on a topic called mammals today. This is an educating video for children aged between 4 to 6. So here the children in this interactive session, the children can learn something about mammals. We're going to keep this video really very short, keeping in consideration that the children whom we are catering to are very young. You can be with your children, the parents can be with the children, help them in case they need any translation or if they have any difficulty in understanding whatever we are discussing. So let's begin. I have chosen a book, Why Are Mammals Furry? This is a series taken by the Grolier books. So it's a wonderful series of book we have. I have about 24 books like this. So we are going to learn a little about mammals today. So even before we start this, we are going to learn a little about what are mammals and what are egg-laying animals. Can you just name an animal?
Bird.
Birds? Wow. Birds are not animals, but we can broadly classify birds under animals because for children, plants and animal are a broad classification that we have of children of this age. So plants and animals are the classifications we have. So birds can be considered as animals. So Shriya, tell me, do birds lay eggs or do they give babies?
Bird lay eggs.
Birds lay eggs, isn't it? Wonderful. So birds are egg laying, right? So they lay egg. They don't give out babies. So they are not mammals. Can you tell me any other animal that lays eggs?
Cockroach.
Cockroach. Very good. Cockroach is an insect, isn't it? So cockroach lays eggs. They don't give out babies. Can you tell me an animal which gives out babies of their young ones, small kutti babies?
Monkey.
Monkeys. Very good. Monkeys give birth to babies, isn't it? Wonderful. So can you also tell me some animals which give birth to young ones? Just guess. Take your time. Parents can help the children to guess some animals which give birth to their young ones and do not lay eggs. Wonderful. So we have a list of animals which give birth to their babies, isn't it? Like cat, dogs. Dogs give babies, they give birth to babies, isn't it? And tigers, monkeys. Yeah, tigers. We have an albino tiger here. His name is Krish. And even bears, they all give birth to babies, isn't it? And we humans, we also give birth to babies. We don't lay eggs. Do we lay eggs?
No.
Do we lay eggs? Right. So, now the question is, why are mammals furry? Right? So, let us read this book and see what do we have. We will be reading only one page. So, in the next episode, we will be going ahead. So, let me read. Shriya, we are going to read this. So, let's concentrate. Why are mammals furry? Why are mammals furry? Mammals are furry animals, isn't it? Mammals are animals which give birth to the young ones. And if you think of dogs, cats, lions, pigs and any other animal which give birth to the babies have fur, isn't it? Right. So, Shriya, see, fur or hair keeps some animals warm. Animals have fur or hair are called mammals. What are the animals with fur and hair called?
Hair.
What are the animals with fur and here called, what are the animals which give birth to babies called? Mammals.
Mammal.
Mammals. Fur also protects from the weather. The hairy orangutan lives in the rainforest. Where does orangutan live?
Rainforest.
Rainforest. Can you see the orangutan here? Orangutan are a kind of monkeys which live in the rainforest in Africa. Where have you seen these animals? Where have you seen orangutan? Have you seen an orangutan, Shreya? Yeah, where have you seen?
In Africa.
Did you go to Africa? Did you go to Africa anytime? Have you visited? No. Where else have you seen orangutan?
In the zoo.
Yes, in the zoo garden, isn't it? Yes. So orangutans are the animals which are mammals. They have fur and they live in the rainforest. Now let's continue. She picks fruit and leaves to eat. She feeds her baby on milk. What does orangutan feed her baby?
Milk.
Milk, isn't it? So orangutan picks fruits and leaves in the rainforest to eat, and she feeds her babies with her milk, right? So most of the mammals do feed their milk to their babies. This is also one point about mammals that we have to remember, right? What is a joy? What is a joy? Have you heard of joys? Yes? What is a joy?
Baby kangaroo.
Baby?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroos. Have you heard of kangaroos? Yeah? So kangaroos are mammals which mostly are from Australia, right? So their babies, their young ones are called joy. Joy lives in the tummy, the pouch that the mama kangaroo has, right? So what is a joy is the question. A joy is a baby kangaroo. When a joy is born, it is smaller than your big toes. Can you all show me where is your toes? Where is your toe, Shreya? Toe. Yes, that's your toe. So when a kangaroo baby is born, it is smaller than your toes. Can you imagine how small they will be, the baby kangaroos? Yeah, as small as this, maybe 1 inch or so. So they're very, very small. So when the joy is born, it is smaller than your big toe. Even though it is tiny and blind, the joy crawls all the way to her mother's pouch and climbs in. So what does the baby joy do? When the baby joy is born, it is very, very small. It crawls into the mama kangaroo's tummy and gets into the pouch. It is blind. It is also blind when it is born. It does not have sight. It does not have eyesight when it is born, right? So it climbs in. It feeds on the milk from the mother. So the baby joy feeds milk from the mother. Right? So we learnt about 2 animals today who live in 2 distinctive places. One is the orangutan, which has babies. These are also mammals, and this is a baby of a kangaroo. This is called joey, right? So this lives in Australia, right? So even both baby orangutan and joey, they feed on their mama's milk, and they are mammals. They have fur on their body, right? So they need fur because they have to protect themselves from the weather. So we have learned so much today. So give a high five to your parents. We are going to learn more in the next coming classes. Do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for more inputs. If you have questions or comments, please do write in the comment section. Thank you. Shreya, say thank you.